In this video, I will guide you on how to fix voice channel not connecting on Discord. First, open the Discord app. Now make sure to log into your account by entering your credentials. After that, you want to head over to the server where you're facing this problem. If you're already connected, leave the voice channel completely and then close the Discord app. Next, restart your device. After restarting, open Discord and check if that fixes your problem. If not, then open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here search for Discord. Now, if you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now tap on the open option and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to clear the app's cache. For that, long press on the Discord app, tap on this app info icon. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. After that, open Discord, then open the server and check. If the voice channel still isn't connecting, the problem could be related to Discord server itself. In that case, wait for a while and try joining again later. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.